still don't want shit to do with Mac Miller. To the point where I find that this is necessary. Start my day off. Right now, Mac Miller, La La La, instrumental. Fuck Mac Miller, signed, haters. You got a phase on crew, running with some scrubs. Nikes on your feet, kid, I got J-Dubs. SDIK shut down in clubs. Best day ever, if it never was. Some Khalifa in your mouth, take a smaller bite. Kool-Aid and pizza, need a chain for your bike. Get more face than Skype, more pussy than Dyke. I don't get high cause kid, I'm flat. Kid, I'm tight, I look all crazy. Look at you, Mo Beyonce and Jay-Z, Patrick Swayze. I ain't benign, I'm not talking about crime, I'ma talk about crime. This goose down rap, play school rhymes. You need a sandbox, nigga. Recess time, the jury out, my jewelry out. I'ma do fine when I take it down south. Miami, Boricua, fly random chica, skinny tight jeans, hot top sneaker. Burn a little reefer, burn it like ether. So slow burning, Cascuela on the speaker. My cell on sleeper, feeling every feature. Damn, she a leaker. Choke you so wet like a poppy with no visa. Miss Lisa, hit it or quit it, then time to release ya.